Congratulations on the 3 points, 7 goals in the end, and a clean sheet.
Yeah, very pleased. I thought it was an excellent performance from us, particularly second half. Very professional. Gave a lot of the squad minutes as well, leading up into Tuesday as well with Pembroke Court. But I thought overall we were excellent tonight.
There's a lot of goals obviously coming. George Pearce with a hat-trick, Danny Warren with 2, Caden Cook with 2. They all seem to be chipping in with those goals now.
Yeah, I mean they've been doing that all season. To be fair, George is, I think he's 20 now. I think, or around about that, and obviously Danny is trying to be top scorer in the league, which is why we signed him. So it's really positive for us, leading into this hectic week.
Do you feel it was a bit of a cagey affair when it was 2-0? Because obviously if they get 1 goal back, then their heads are up.
Yeah, always at 2-0, it's that danger score, if you like, isn't it? So it's important to make sure that we get the next goal, which we did, and then I think we scored two in quick succession. So that was good for us, and then we were able to really play. And I thought, the way we played and moved the ball tonight was some of the best football. I think it was Danny Warren's goal. I think that was played out all the way from the back. We played through them, so yeah, that was excellent and lovely to watch.
So we've got Pembroke Court again on Tuesday. We've got 3 games again in a week, and they keep coming fast. What are your thoughts on that going forward?
Yeah, I mean, we were able to give people minutes tonight, which was important, and looked ahead to Tuesday quite early in this game. And then we go into Tuesday, which is a tough affair. We beat them 2-1, but it was really close up there. They were a good team, a dogged team. They were organised. They would make it difficult for us. So we have to be back on it straight away on Tuesday night.
Well done.